All right, so today is Thursday the 19th. We're gonna do the warm up. After which you're gonna complete the little 5-number summary sheet. That's just reviewing how to type the stuff in the calculator to find the 5-number summary. 5-number summary is your lower extreme, your your lower quartile, your median, your upper quartile, and your upper extreme. Very good. All of your values that you plot on a box and whisker. That's your 5-number summary. Okay? So do that real quickly. Then our partner work today is going to be some test questions on statistics, the notes that I gave you. So it's going to be questions on Unit 6 notes. You can use, guys, you can use your Unit 6 notes on these. Oops, Unit 6, sorry. And then afterwards, you need to work on the quiz review. Thursday's homework. I'm going to do a homework video. And the little extra sheet that I put, this first sheet here, we're in class. I'm going to put that in the homework help video. So you can make sure that this is completed because you're not going to have enough time in class today to finish that. So that's going to be in the video as well. Yes, sir.
So we're doing Thursday's homework and the class.
Unless we have time. If we have time, then we'll do that. But it doesn't look like we don't have time. Please don't forget to study. Study, 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 study. All right, planner. Yesterday, planner stuff. Please check out. Did the homework, check it out. You watched the help video, check it out. If you studied linear equations, check that out. Check, check, check. Tonight we need to study scatter plots. All right. In your planner, get your planner out there. So we have Math 1, homework. Basically, finish the package. Please do that first and then watch the homework help video. And then make sure that you review your notes on scatter plots. Positive correlation, negative correlation, no correlation at all. Correlation coefficient, line of best fit, making prediction. Pause for cause. Got it all. All right, let's go to number 1 up. All right, we're writing 2 equations. This is a system of linear equations. I'm going to read the problem and you write the equation. Emily has a total of 30 coins in her purse. The coins are all nickels and dimes. The total value of coins is $5.10, right? A system of equations to determine the number of nickels N and dimes D that Emily has in her purse. Please stop talking. What is it, babe? Do you have a question about something, or you just, what is it? Do I need to move you? Because I'm always having to say that to you every day. Are you sure you don't need to be moved? Okay, stop talking. Let's get this done, okay? We're working on the first one. Guesses as to what the first equation is going to be. If there are a total of 30 coins, we'll put equal on this side because we did a problem like this before. All right, how do I figure out what's the equation going to be there? Yes.
N plus D.
N plus D. Okay, nickels plus dimes. All right, and then the total of coins is $5.10. How do I write the equation for this one? Yes.
Wait.
Anastasia?
N
0.05
0.05
and plus 0.10.
0.10D. Very good. All right, so let's look at the second one. Hold on. Wait till I finish reading. The total cost in dollars of membership in the gym is given by this function right here, where M is the number of months a person is a member. Okay, so this is the number of months in dollars. How much is it going to cost for the membership in a year? Okay, and a pause for the call there. What did we do to solve this problem? Yes. Go ahead.
Plug in 1.
No, not plug in 1, because M is not 1 month, it's for a year. Yes.
Oh, 12 months.
Plug in 12.
Plug in 12.
For M.
So we have C of, and it's 12 because we're plugging in months for 12 for months. 15 times 12, then we have plus 65. And this will give you your answer when you simplify it. All right, let's do Friday's. Factor this, please. All right, what we notice about these, before anything else, what we notice is that these are perfect squares. What's the square root of 9x to the second?
3x.
3x. Okay. So you put 3x in each. You can step outside and do that so you don't have to. That's okay, baby. What's the square root of 36? 6. So when you multiply, in order to get a negative 36, one has to be a positive and one has to be a negative. Oh, sorry. We can still take out something else. What can we take out?
3, yeah.
We can take out a 3. What is this going to give us?
9x.
This gives us 9x. Okay. If we take out a 3,
Oh, take out 3.
X
Oh,
plus
that would
2.
be x.
x plus 2.
X. Wait,
Parentheses, x what?
x plus 2.
And we can do the same thing here. What does that give us? Same thing. Let me see if I get the same thing if I do it the other way. Hold on. If I take out, what can I take out here?
9.
9. And what can I get here?
That would be negative 4.
Yeah, I'm getting the same thing. And then here, if I do this, what do I get? X here is perfect squares. And then what's this?
2.
2. And this could be plus and this could be minus. Yeah, I'm going to get the same thing. Because I multiply these together, that's going to give me 9. Either way you go, it's going to give you these. That gives me still 9. It's probably shorter to just take it out first. GCF. And then perfect square and get your answer. All right, elimination. How do I eliminate here? Add or subtract?
Add.
Add. That's going to eliminate which one, the x's or the y's?
The x.
X's. So this is going to give me here 1y plus 2y. What's that?
3y.
Bring down the equal. Then we have 23, you need to see it side by side. 23 plus a -2, what does that give you?
21.
That gives you 21. Now what do you do to get y by itself?
Divide by 3.
Divide both sides by 3. So when you divide by 3, this gives me y is equal to what?
7.
7. Alright, so that's your y coordinate. How do you find your x coordinate?
Plug
Plug
in.
in. Which one you want to use, the first equation or the second?
First one.
First one. So that's 6x plus y is equal to 23. And I'm plugging 7 for y. So that's 6x plus, put 7 here. So now what do I do to solve for x?
Subtract.
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 Subtract 7. This is gone. I'm left with,
6.
okay, 6x on this side. What do I get on this side? What do I get?
16.
And what do I do?
Divide both sides by
6.
6.
And what does that give me?
2.67.
2.6. So this is 2 point, that's what it costs. Okay. Anybody still copying? Okay, that's the half sheet that I gave you when you came in the room. You need your calculator, clear it, second plus 712. Second plus 712. If something is missing in your calculator, function is missing, you press second plus 7, all 1, 2. Second plus 7, all 1, 2. Second plus 7, go over to all, 1 and then 2. That completely clears everything. Here we're going to find the 5-number summary. You type these numbers in. To type the numbers in, what button do you press?
That.
And
Tab, and then enter. And let's type these numbers in. Alright, so now where do we go? After we type them in, anybody still typing? Okay, I'll wait for a second. Alright, we got 40, 42, 58, 67, 55, 40, 69, 66. Okay, 51, 51, 46, 48. Alright, so now, where do we go to, so that the calculator can figure out the 5-number summary? What button do we press next?
stack out.
We press the stat button, we go over to count, and then what? Enter on 1 bar, and what do we press after that?
Second one.
Second 1, because our numbers are in list 1, and then what?
Enter.
Enter, okay? Alright, so what is the minimum value gonna be? The minimum value is 40. And what's another word for minimum value? Lower,
quartile.
no,
Oh, no.
lower
extreme.
Lower extreme, okay? Alright, so what does Q1 represent?
Lower quartile.
No, what is that, what's another? I know it's 46, but what's another name? Lower quartile. Alright, what does the Q2 represent? The median. Mhm. So here I'm gonna put median. What's the median? 55. What does Q3 represent? Upper quartile, and what's that number? 67. And this is our upper quartile. And what's the maximum value? And what's another name for maximum value?
Upper.
Upper extreme. All right, I need you to finish this sheet, please. I'm gonna give you about 7 minutes, okay? Okay, put this sheet in front of you, please. Make sure your name is on it, because you're gonna submit the sheet to me, or you're gonna turn it in. Physically turn the sheet in. Put your first and last name on it. Stuff together. Thank you, baby. All right, so listen. This is technically partner work, but if we can't work with a partner, you only get 1 strike, and then you go and work by yourself. So that means that everybody, if you're working with a partner, you need to make sure that you're very productive and that the noise level stays down. If it can't, then we just go back to our seats and we do it independently. Any questions? All right, let's go ahead, get this done. I'm gonna set the timer for about how many, 15, 20 minutes. Let's do this now.